The default wave is hitting the banks right now. And just as I've been predicting for the last several years with my audiences and students, people are terrified and don't know what to do. Billions of dollars of commercial real estate loans are at risk, and they're coming due as we speak. And these properties are going to be unloaded in the next market cycle. If you missed out on the last real estate crisis of 2008, don't miss out on this one. There are tens of thousands of commercial buildings in your neighborhood and all across the nation that you're going to be able to acquire for just pennies on the dollar. But only if you know how to find them and understand how to negotiate exactly what the sellers are looking for. I'm 𝐇𝐔𝐆𝐄, the founder and CEO of the Commercial Academy, and I can give you the unique and specific training that you're going to need. I'm going to show you exactly how to find these deals and which deals you can find in your market. And more than that, I'm going to teach you how to effectively negotiate to acquire these properties. Do you have limited resources, maybe not such great credit score? Well, so did I when I did my first seven-figure deal. I'm going to show you how you can fund these deals with no money out of your pocket, even if you have less than perfect credit.